I love luto tayo seafood boil. So ngayon, loves, ay magluluto tayo ng seafood boil. But the only challenge that we have right now is kulang-kulang yung ingredients natin. For our ingredients, we have our garlic, premium scallops, our shrimps, dairy cream, and Mamacita's oyster sauce. Well, basically, that's it. Yun lang yung mga ingredients na meron ako here sa bahay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So ending, ito lang yung nahiwa nating garlic. So next naman is itong shrimp, pero kasi malinis na tong shrimp, pinalinis ko na siya nung binili ko. We also have here our squid rings, and grabe, ang lalaki ng mga squid rings talaga ng cold storage. Some scallops. So tapos na tayo mag-prepare ng ingredients natin. Ngayon is lutuin na natin sila. Start na natin painitin tong kalan. I-add na natin yung garlic natin, yung sobrang dami nating garlic. Add na rin natin tong shrimp natin, or scallops. And don't worry kasi nilinis ko na sila kanina. Medyo malambot na rin naman yung oyster. So, ilagay na natin itong mga squid rings. Medyo luto na naman yung squids, oyster, and shrimps. So, lagyan na natin siya ngayon ng oyster. Lagyan din natin itong sweet paprika. And since kulang yung garlic natin, lagyan natin ng garlic powder. And lastly, is lalagyan din natin siya nitong parsley flakes. So, ngayon, tikman na natin. Perfect! And yeah, that's it. Here's our finished product, love. And ngayon is kakain na tayo. And that's it for today's video, love. I hope you all like it. And comment down below kung gusto nyo pa ako magluto for my next videos and kung ano yung iluluto ko. So, I'll see you on my next one.